Hey everyone, my name is Robin, and welcome to my channel. I'd like to do product reviews, tech demonstrations, and also give you tips on how to save money whether you're shopping online or in person. So one of my first product reviews I'd like to do is actually the ANKER flashlight. I promise, I'll figure out how to say this and do some research on it. But hope you like the channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. This is the Bolder by Anker LC90 2-cell rechargeable flashlight. Has a CREE LED and an IP65 water resistant rating. Pretty good for camping or going outside, doing some maintenance on your car, whatever you do. It's a pretty bright flashlight, 900 lumens. And let me just demonstrate how bright this thing can get. There's 900 lumens, think about 500 right here, and 60. Strobe, SOS. And those are the different toggle modes. It's USB rechargeable, like I said. It has a little hatch right here where you can actually recharge it. And a quick tip, here's how you turn on the flashlight. And then, when you want to turn it off, you just hold this button right here, it turns off. So pretty good flashlight for what it does. I really like the feel of it, and it's got a lot of scuff marks on it because I've been using this for a couple of months, but it's an all metal casing, so pretty good. And it's well sealed. The battery is not removable, by the way. So it's a good idea to gift this to someone who does a lot of work on cars, or just needs an extra flashlight that goes camping or hiking or any kind of outdoor activities. It's really well built. And that's a CREE LED again. That's a manufacturer, pretty good LEDs, well known for it. But that's the Bolder. Have a good one, guys.
Anchor. Anchor. Anchor.